This is one in a series of videos dedicated to how top salespeople think. They think differently than the average salesperson does. Watch this video, then rethink your thought process. Idea number 5 is they're curious. You know, top salespeople are curious just by nature. They love to learn, but not just learn in ways that they can do better. They love to learn from their customers. They know that their customers hold all the answers as to what their problems are and how they can be solved. They're curious by asking lots of questions. They're also curious to get to know their prospects and customers on a personal level. They want to know about their families, their hobbies, their pursuits, their goals. When we're naturally curious, we're interested in the other person. And when we're humble, we're also interested in the other person. We don't believe that we're the most interesting person in the room or the smartest person in the room. When we're curious, we're just an open book, ready to learn and grow through conversations and by asking good questions. They're also curious about how they can do better. They're curious about their competition. They're curious about the companies that they do business with or compete against. Just be curious by nature. Always be thinking about ways that you could learn new information, and then you'll be following idea number 5 in the way top salespeople think.